Hello everyone, this is me, Mehdi Hassan. Welcome to my first ArcGIS tutorial. Let us see today's content. Today we'll learn about the basic concept of GIS, introduce with the basic interface of ArcMap, how to connect a folder, how to extract package, details about symbology, basic about attribute table, and lastly we'll learn how to convert graphics to a feature. Let's deep dive into today's tutorial. What is GIS? A Geographic Information System is a type of database containing geographic data combined with software tools for managing, analyzing, and visualizing those data. What is ArcGIS Desktop? ArcGIS Desktop is a foundational piece for GIS professionals to create, analyze, manage, and share geographic information so decision makers can make intelligent, informed decisions. It allows you to create maps, perform spatial analysis, and manage data. ArcGIS Desktop includes ArcMap, ArcCatalog, ArcGlobe, and lastly, ArcViewer. Shapefile. ArcMap works with shapefile. What is shapefile? A shapefile is a simple, non-topological format for storing the geometric location and attribute information for geographic features. It includes some mandatory files and some optional files. Some mandatory files are .shp, .shx, .dbf, and some optional files are .sbm, .sbx, .xml. There are a lot of optional files in shapefiles. There are mainly two types of data. Number one, vector data. It includes point, line, and area. And number two, raster data. It is a simple type of data. Raster data contains a matrix of cells organized into rows and columns, while each cell contains a value representing information. Vector data are excellent for capturing and sorting special details, while raster data are well suited for capturing, sorting, and analyzing data such as elevation, temperature, soil, pH, etc. Now we will see the basic interface of ArcMap. The installation process of ArcMap we will see in the next video. Let us open the ArcMap. It will take some time. If the software is open, here we can see this is the very basic interface of the ArcGIS software. This is the toolbar. From here we can, in this file section, we can open a new file and create a new file and save the file from here. We will not discuss this in this tutorial. We will discuss the how to connect a shapefile to the ArcGIS. For that, we have to open the Arc catalog. The Arc catalog is opening. This is the interface of our catalog. From here we will connect our file, our shape file. Now we will connect the folder with the our catalog. For this we will go to these options and select our folder locations. My folder locations is here. The folder is connected. Then we will have to extract the shape file. For the data we have to go to the toolbox, then go to the data management tools. After that we have to go to the package. From here we will get the option of extract package. I have already extract my package. After extracting the package we have to go to the ArcGIS main interface. After extracting the package we will get our shapefile here, and let's open our file. After opening the shapefile, we will have to add data into the shapefile one by one. For that, we have to open some tools. For that, we have to click here in the blank space, and if you scroll down, we will see that. If you scroll down, we will see that here we will get option name standards, and we will add the standards. We will need another tools, and we will find that also here. And the name is tools. We'll adjust our tools and standard bars here. From standard bars here, this is the option of adding data. If we put our cursor on these options, we will see that the name of this option is adding data. If you click on the adding data, it will take us to the folder where we have extracted our file, and we'll found all the components of the shape files. From here we will input one by one component. At first, let's input out the boundary of the create campus, and the water body. For that we will select this and add. The boundary is added to the layers, and you can see this is the water bodies of the Kuwait campus. We'll add others data also as the same way. For this, after adding the all components from the shape files, we'll find this file. From here we can see in this side, this is the layer sections. Here is all the component. We can unmark them and they will be invisible, and mark them and they will be visible. From here we can change the color width of the outline option. We can use many tools. For example, we can change the color of any blocks or any layer. Let's say we want to change the color of this building blocks 5. Here we can unselect the all others options. For that we have a shortcut. This is control and right click. Control and right click, then we select the building blocks only, and here is the color section. From here we can select the color. Let's say we will change the color into the beige, and the color will change. We can do many other things from here. Let's say we want to change the color, fill color, and change the outline color. Here is the outline color. We can give outline color. Let's say we want to give the red, and this will be the the outline will be the red. We can increase the width of the boundary from here. Let's say we increase the boundary, and the boundary is increased. We can apply this all options from the symbolize options. For that we have to right click on the layers bar, and from here we will go to the properties, and we'll find the symbolize in here, just next to the display. From here we can do the same works. We can change the color, we can change the outline of the outline color of the layers. We can increase and decrease the length width of the color, outer width from the symbolize. See, we can now we will see the attribute table. For that we have to right click on the layers, any layer. Let's take the example of building block 5. We'll right click on it, and we will see the option open attribute table. Here there will be some columns and row, and there must be at least 3 columns in every layers attribute table. Here is 5 columns, and we can see there is a FID, shape ID, name, and category. Which we can delete one column from here by selecting it and right click it. We can delete the column. Again we can add another column. For that we have to go to this option, table options, and from here we will add field, and give a name of the field. Let's say we will give the field name is area, and the type of the field can be given in 5 options. Here is the short integer, long integer, float, double float, text, and date. As it is an area, it will be a long integer. Let's check the long integer, and okay, here is our new area. Now if we want to edit the area and input here, we can't input directly. We have to go to the customize, and then open the toolbars, and from here we will find the editors option, and there will be another editors bar. From here we will select this editors, and select start editing. After start editing we will have to select from the layers where we want to edit. For that we will go to the building block 5. This is the building block 5. Okay, and now we can edit here. Let's see, the area of the residential building is let's say 3000 square feet, 3000 square feet, and the another is 4000. And this is how we can add a field on the attribute table and edit it. And after editing it, you can simply just save it. And if we after editing, we have to stop the editor from the same place, here editor, and stop editing. Do you want to change, and there will be a pop-up, do you want to save the save edits? I don't want to save these edits, I just do it to show you, so I will give the no. And let's say we want to delete this column. For that we have to select it. For selecting, we have to put our cursor on the area and right click it, and the whole column will be selected. Then right click it, and there will be an option delete field, and we will be deleting the field. There is another important option in the attribute table. For say, if we select the category table, category column, and right click on it, there will be an option field calculator. This is the field calculator. From here we can do the do the multiplication, subtraction, addition, and division from on the field on the columns of the field attribute table. Now if we want to add features, add a new features in our shape files, for that we have to open a drawing file, open the drawing tools. For that we have to go in here again in the tools bar. For that we right click on the blank space, and here we will found the drawing and draw options, and tick this. I have already ticked this, so here is my drawing. From here I have selected this. Let's say I want to add a features that will be shape in rectangle. Let's say this is my new features, and now this is a just normal, and this is a normal drawing. If I want to make this a features, I have to go to the drawings, and convert this graphics to features. Simply convert this graphic to features, and make it this. Okay, yes. Now this becomes this rectangle becomes a features, and we can the new rectangle features is added in the layers option. And now we can do all our operations in these features also. Let's say we want to rename this our new features. So for that we have to right click on this, and go to the properties. From here in this general options, there we will find this rename option. Let's say we name it rectangle. And here we can also see that we can also do symbolization. We can change the colors, change the outline width and the outline color from here, and do all other operations that we have done in the previous features. Now let's say sometimes we don't find our layout in the screen, and we just roam around here and there. To find it out, we have to just simply right click on the on a layers, and in this option zoom to the layers, and the screen will be fitted accordingly. Here is we come again, and this is the pan option, this is the zoom in zoom out option. That's all for today. This is our first this is the ending of our first tutorial. Thank you everyone.